She could be the prisoner. You could be the pirate. She could be the wench.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yeah, or you could be two stockbrokers and you're rolling around naked on the trading floor and everybody's watching. It never happened.
That's up there, and instead of reading it, people well, they're rolling around in front of it.
We are aware of the problem you're referring to. But as far as increasing security, I'm afraid the library is very
And this is Duncan and Aaron. They're going to help us out with the audition. So let's get the camera rolling.
Radio Ray.
Whenever you're ready.
So you're making porn movies? No, I'm not.
Still rolling.
You're making one right now!
Let's go, Phoebe.
And you're using my name.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word rolling. It means the action, motion, or sound of anything that rolls. Also means moving by revolving or turning over and over. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce rolling, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to ro. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how rolling is used in real life.
High five for rolling bones! Oh. Has a rolling massage and...
So he's rolling down the street and he starts to lose control. Next time you snore, I'm rolling you over.
Still rolling.
It kept rolling and recorded everything. Well, they're rolling around in front of it.
Let's get the camera rolling.
Radio.
Or you could be two stockbrokers and you're rolling around naked on the trading floor and
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.